I'm afraid to move forward. Can't stop stepping on my own feet. Looking toward you, my dear. You got the answers to my questions, but you keep them discreet. I don't know why, I just wanna stick with you for life. You and I won't lie to each other, 'cause when we try to fly, we look into our lover's eyes and see our reflections turn back at us as we hover. You get me out of my zone, make me feel comfortable here on my own. You put me in your throne, it's like I should have known how it felt to be all alone. But instead I turned to stone and you broke the seal, showed me that we could have flown. You rectified my mistakes, pulled me up on a pedestal, made me stronger in our wake, and we both felt incredible. Don't leave me here to be overthrown by vegetable edibles like Pokemon. Grass beats rock, but you're more like my medical leaves in a tree, bringing you and me closer. Who would have thought we'd have been free when we got older? And to the degree that you're the key to my exposure, I love you, be my controller, I'll be your bodily donor. Full disclosure, you're my freedom, my spirit, my love, and so much more. I grew up afraid to hear it, my fear of war from before. I report to you, of course, don't open that door. Free your mind and body from your soul's core, mental reform, ignored and sure. I just want to tell you, my dear, that you make me feel exceptional. Could I be more sincere? You're the front of this frontier, premier. You're my spectacle of perfection, so special. Personally, I'd have gone one way or another, but I couldn't stop to stare or choose. I'd rather color the summer we discovered with the hues of my muse, you and her tunes. We'll get everywhere we need to be. If we don't give up on our dreams, one day we'll be free. I guarantee. Trust me. You don't even need to believe. And when that day comes, we'll rejoice in our freedom. Everything that it meant to us is what we will become. We'll exceed our means without realizing our needs, and then we'll receive our desires as we please. And when it's all said and done, and our fears eradicated at last, we can rest assured knowing that we passed that class, in that we never let our contrast plant weakness in the line we cast, or absent bait from the attached lure as we attacked. Instead, our impact was far more advanced, because we learned as we grew, never gave up on breaking through into you. The end is always in view, and that's exactly why you're my lover. Exactly why without each other, we'd have suffered. Don't worry, we'd have eventually recovered. But I'm so glad to have you here this summer. Become her. Don't let your fears control you, but feel free to shudder as you push beyond the breaking point with no other. This is my song to you. Don't give up on breaking through. And in review, I threw my heart into our debut. What we have is so true that I'd love to take that chance. No one does.